Ever been on a ride that felt more like a roller coaster than a smooth journey? It's not always the road's fault. Many a time the culprit is a bad car suspension. The suspension system of a car is like the unsung hero of a smooth ride. It absorbs shocks from the road and helps maintain tire contact. But like all heroes, it can falter. So, how does one spot a failing suspension system? Start with a simple observation. Is the car leaning or dipping? A car with a good suspension will stay level, even in turns. If your car leans or dips when you turn or stop, it's a sign of a potential suspension problem. Next, check for an uncomfortable ride. A car with a bad suspension will make you feel every bump in the road. It's as if your car has lost its cushioning and is hitting the road hard. Then, it's time to take a look at the tires. Uneven tire wear is a classic sign of bad suspension. If you notice that some parts of your tires are wearing out faster than others, it's time to get your suspension checked. And finally, test your car for bouncing. Push down on the front of your vehicle with all your might, and then let go. If the car bounces more than 2 or 3 times, your shocks or struts could be worn out. To summarize, a bad suspension can be identified by a leaning or dipping car, an uncomfortable ride, uneven tire wear, and excessive bouncing. Remember, your suspension system is an integral part of your vehicle. It's not just about comfort, but also about safety. A bad suspension can affect your car's handling and braking, potentially leading to an accident. So if you notice any of these signs, don't ignore them. Get your car to a professional and ensure a smooth and safe ride. Because a good ride isn't just about the destination, it's about the journey too.